Try it. Try it all. Yeah. Wasn't sure about these. They're fish roe. They're dumplings filled with fish roe, and they're so good. They're so good. And we have ribeye. And my gyros are falling apart. I cooked it too long. Thanks for doing fun things with me.
We're here to enjoy and not.
And learn.
We got 2 hours to enjoy this.
Sue said, you want to go to the bathroom first? This will be good. This will put us on to a good time.
Okay.
Oh, the squids.
Yes.
Wait, does that go in the hot? Can I have that other fish ball thing?
Yeah. Like,
I know. You want some more shrimp?
yeah.
Shrimps are done.
For it. Thank you. Oh. Hey, show me how to do it.
All right, do a little roll. Shrimp.
Yeah. So you can order hot the barbecue, and then or separately you can order the soup, the hot plate, and
$5 more.
it's $5 more for dinner. And this is like a little convection stove in there that you control with these. So then this barbecues your food, and it comes with all these steaks and shrimps and stuff. And see how my soup's boiling again? So when I'm ready, so like there's a fish roe dumpling in there right now. So when I'm ready, I add, this is ribeye steak in there, and then I can put, I ate all the broccoli already. Put some more broccoli in there, put more mung beans. I got a bowl of rice, but I'm too full to eat it. Oh, and man, they had this kimchi, cucumber kimchi, which you see I ate all of it. It was to die for. It was so good. But then they have like a sauce bar that you can go to that has all these different sweet and savory and spicy. Like this is peanut butter sauce. And then we have a hoisin sauce. And of course our sriracha, because I can't take that anywhere without sriracha.